guys, it's me, and today I was just leveling up, and yeah. So, I'm going to show you what I got from leveling on level 10 from more than one account. I leveled up about 4 accounts. So, on level 10, I got this hair and this hair. I'm not really sure on what these got. I think I got this on 9 or 8. I got this on 9. I got this on 10. I got this on 10, and I got this on 10. Now, I think all of those are hair. I'm not really sure. Never will be sure. But I just wanted to say that it does work, and I do need another account to level up, and I do have another account, but I forgot its name. It was like Queens, and it was a double account. I shared it with my friend. I don't even know who Queens is a YouTuber, because I don't know anything. Peach. Yeah, none of my friends. Let me see if I have any other backups I'm friends with. Panda here, I leveled up. No. Wait, I do. It might be leveled up to level 10 now. Is Rare Princess. Is my old Rare Ack. How did I forget this? Hopefully that's what passed, yeah. Rare Princess? What level am I? I'm 8. So I could level up. Back for leveling. Let me just... I'm being on this account for ages, by the way. It's not a really old account though. Yeah, I gave all my rares to my main now. That was for a name. But I don't need that anymore. Okay. So this account has the thingy, so I'm just gonna find account Rare Princess. Then I'm gonna find that XOX Chloe. Is she my... No. XOX Chloe backup. Chloe's the account now got hacked on and deleted. So yeah. Let's accept that with friend request. By the way, I didn't just get VIP for this video, just saying. Let's give the gift to her first, if I can. There we go, drip. Also, I didn't think they have a lot in their, like, inventory, so it's okay. Whoa, that leveled up quick, but it didn't level up. Wait, I need to find Princess, so it's when busy. I'm gonna upset that in a minute. Then I got a gift. Don't even ask what I'm using that animation either. I don't know. Okay, this one I'll level up. So what did I get? I got this, and it's a really cute little thing, so I'm gonna get it. What's the sides? Oh, I want them black. And then I want the inside black as well. That's cute. Enter. Oh yeah. By the way, it's really easy way to level up because I'm really like, I've never got this before. So when I got it, I was shaking, and I did upload a video of it, so go and watch that one if you haven't. It didn't even do anything rude. Or it might have. I don't know. Don't think it did. Rare. Yes. We're gonna do this one black because my other one was red. Cause I did that one. I got that one on level 10 though, so it's way better on level 9, if you ask me. I don't think any of these are rare, but I'm just gonna pick that one. Is it actually like a glitch, or isn't it? I don't know. Although I will still be giving the cute clothes to my main account because it's like, I want those clothes, like they're really cute. I don't think I got anything. Yep. So we're just gonna keep on leveling up, and yep, it won't do anything, please. This account didn't get hacked, by the way. None of these accounts got hacked. I think you just have to do it quickly, and then you get fine. On this account, I'm level 9, and on the other one, I'm level 8. Yeah. It's like the same, like, amount of fame. Oh yeah, I got that hair from leveling. Just saying. I have a rare hair on, rare thing on here, why didn't I? Probably didn't even know it was rare. But I have like 2 of those on my mind. I'll still give it. I will be giving these accounts away even though they're really bad. You might just want to start off with no star coins. Or like basically scammed because you won't have any rare on level 10. Or you could just start off on a big level. I don't know. I'll be leveling up on this account in the next 2 ones or something. I'm gonna level up on this one, I think. Maybe not. I pressed it. Jesus Christ. What? Okay, I like this one. Okay. Let's do it all black. Look how cute that is. You can literally just get that from leveling. Isn't that like surprising? But it's like I'm level 9 for a little skirt. Really. Also it saves you star coins from leveling up and getting rares. That in rare week would cost like 600 star coins. You can rare trade. I rare traded literally everything. I didn't care what I rare traded. I just wanted this strip cap, and then I could get more rares than I already had, or maybe I could even get back what I had, because I gave a Fem. I think I already said this, but I gave it Fem and an Aria. Level up. What did I get? Yes, and those shoes, I think they're rare. People say they're rare, I think. I think they are rare. But like, I'm never gonna wear them, but aren't they meant for boys? They're cute. No, they're not cute, but like, yeah. I'm gonna send the gifts to this account. And also that headband thingy. So 3 gifts right now. Also, I'm just giving all the rest to this account, so yeah. Hopefully I have enough room, yeah. It's gonna take like ages to level up on this account. But it's worth it. Yeah, the next 3 I will level up. Also, I'm giving all the rares and cute items at the end. I'm still gonna do on this account as well. Just to get some fame, might level up to level 11. I'm not leveling up to level 11. It works better with the drip top, I think, but it works the same with the drip cap. So yeah. Also, I didn't even have any Wi-Fi for like an hour before recording this video. Isn't that just sad? Like, I don't even know. I think this might be my first voice video, or my second. 2. How much recording have I done? But I'm checking down here because that's my recorder. That's where my recorder is. Like, at the end of the video, I go down here because that's where the recorder is. If you use screencast, you will understand. It's annoying though. Whoops. Oh my god. Please. See, that's why you're not meant to wear it. You're meant to have that ugly weave. That beautiful. I think I'm gonna level up in the next 2. Somebody messaged me on my line, sorry. Okay. Ooh. I don't know what that, like, I don't even know. Oh. Living the sad life. I'm gonna level up in the next one. Really excited, you know. I think I started off level 8 on this one. But I didn't mean to not level up. I was talking, and that's what happens when I talk. So yeah. So I started off level like 7 on here, and I'm like, I got the hair I got scammed with. Oh my god, yes! I'm loving my life. Loving it. I'm literally dying. How is this even a thing? Like, bro. Let me just get my joke out as well. Because what if I run out of, like, space? But then I'll leave a rare behind. Oh my god. I don't care if I leave a rare behind. Because then I just trade. Can't I? The stupidly thing. And that little, like, white thing as well. By the way, this is a rare, but it's not a good rare. Like, everybody has that rare. So if you have that rare, don't go, like, in the artwork. Oh my god, this one. Like, you're just gonna get, like, no, I was gonna say hacked. We're gonna get hate. I just see how I good.